freshman trotting fillies are lined up for tonight's ninth race, scratched down to a six-pack. The Ron Gates. And the raw for Red Hot Spicy out quickly from along the inside. Platinum T. Floats out a touch there from the center. Always in Blackpedia. Looks for good early position as they trot on to that opening turn. Red Hot Spicy and Tactor dictate the early terms there for along the pylons. Always in Blackpedia. And Florid continue to move up on the outside. Bikini So Titi. There along the cones in a third. Anatomy Hanover, Tableway trotting fourth. Platinum T was taken back to fifth. In front of CBS, the 1-5 favorite is going to have to do it from last as they race past that opening quarter. 29 seconds even. Red Hot Spicy continues on top as always in Blackpedia at better than 80-1, trying to leave here. And now she's found a spot in long-term parking as they trot towards the half. Bikini is so teeny right there from along the inside third. Anatomy Hanover still there along the cones in fourth. Platinum T is gapped off fifth, and that sent CBS to the outside. The favorite still has 8 lengths to make up as they trot past the half. 57 seconds even. 28 seconds in that second quarter as Red Hot Spicy remains under pressure from always in Blackpedia, who won't go away just yet. It is still second with 3/8 of a mile to go. Bikini So Teeny locked in right now with nowhere to go. Third, Brett Miller now fans to the outside with Anatomy Hanover is quickly 3 wide as CBS is suddenly only 3 lengths off the lead. The field tightens up as they trot past 3/4. 127-3. Red Hot Spicy is trying to dig in along the inside, but it's Anatomy Hanover and Miller who have now taken over. CBS to the far outside for LaChance. Bikini Sotini is skipping the cones late. They hit mid-stretch. Anatomy Hanover trying to fight off the big favorite here. Anatomy Hanover still there. CBS to the outside. Anatomy Hanover at 7-1. Anatomy Hanover wins it. CBS was second. Bikini Sotini finished third. Red Hot Spicy was fourth in 156-4.